guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the early bird tea. So I'm starting with lemon Niteworks and I'm doing 2 scoops. I'm adding some mango aloe. I'm adding 1 scoop of H3O. I'm going to mix that up. Add some ice. Then I'm going to add an orange Liftoff. I'm adding some lemon tea in another cup. And then some watermelon stevia. I'm going to add more ice and water. And I'm going to pour the watermelon and tea on top. And that's it. That's how you make the early bird tea. Thanks for watching.